Setting up two-factor authentication in Salesforce is one of the best ways to ensure your account is secure. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable this feature so you can safeguard your data from unauthorized access. Keep watching, because we'll also cover a key tip you won't want to miss at the end to streamline the process. Now, let's dive straight into it. First things first, log into your Salesforce account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, head over to Settings, where we'll make all the necessary updates for your security. The next thing you need to do is search for Identity Verification in the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Once you see Identity Verification in the results, click on it. This is where you'll find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Now, for the third thing, after clicking on Identity Verification, scroll down and look for the section titled Two-Factor Authentication. You'll see an option to enable it. Click Edit to make changes. Once you're in the editing mode, the next thing is to choose your method of verification. Salesforce offers several options, including Salesforce Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or SMS text messages. You can choose the one that's most convenient for you, but I'd recommend using the Salesforce Authenticator app for better integration. Now, we'll move on to the fourth thing. If you choose Salesforce Authenticator, you'll need to download the app on your mobile device. After that, scan the QR code provided on the screen from the app to link it to your Salesforce account. The fifth thing to do is verify your device. Once the app is paired, Salesforce will ask you to approve a test notification to make sure everything is working. Check your phone and confirm the request to ensure your two-factor authentication setup is complete. Next, make sure to save all your changes. Don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the page, otherwise your settings won't take effect. If at any point you want to disable or update your two-factor authentication settings, you can easily return to the identity verification page in your settings and make adjustments. And here's the bonus tip I promised. If you're managing multiple users within your Salesforce account, you can also enable two-factor authentication for all users from the company settings section. This way, you can ensure that your entire team is following best practices for account security. To recap, we've gone over how to set up two-factor authentication in Salesforce with the Salesforce Authenticator app, as well as how to manage security for your entire team. Setting this up takes only a few minutes, but it will significantly increase the security of your Salesforce account. Before you go, I want to mention that you can access Salesforce completely for free from the first link below, plus we're offering exclusive bonuses when you sign up today. Make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching, and stay secure with Salesforce.